Can you be my baby girl? What's up?
Baby girl. Stop worrying about what they hollering about, man. You know that shit ain't real. All that shit false, man. Supposed to trust on me, man. No move, man. Stay solid, man. Stay 1K, man.
They wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah. I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble.
Y'all, it's your girl Taylor back at it again with one of these little nighttime chill videos. Like, I got my pajamas. Like, look at got my pajamas. I got my like scarf on. Y'all got my hair done today. Leave a comment if y'all like it. But anyway, I'm gonna be doing a basically rate me 1 through 10 on Monkey. I'm gonna show y'all, like, let's do this. Like, if I get my feelings hurt, make sure y'all comment down below some stuff to make me feel better, because I'm be sad. So I'm going like this. Like, I woke up like this. Make sure you like this video, gives it a big thumbs up, and you subscribe and leave a couple comments. So I just filmed this whole video and realized that my screen recording was not working. So I'm gonna let y'all listen to my rates on Monkey, but I'm also gonna put in 5 actual people that you guys can actually see, because clearly it did not work. So I'm going to try to make it work so y'all can see actually 5 people how they look rating me. Good thing though is you don't have to see the person that flashed me and some ugly faces, okay? So I'm gonna try to do this for y'all. You don't understand how stressed out I am that just happened. Especially the guy that was like super nice and he's cute. So hopefully I get some good ones for these 5. Hey.
What's good?
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
Good. 10.
Thank you.
Yep.
Alright, so y'all heard him. He said I was a 10. So y'all gonna see it. I gotta make sure they're working before I move on. So that's why I'm thinking like this will break. Hey. Dang, he clicked off. Hey.
Oh, yo. I was just wondering, how does my belly rock look? You ready?
Can you guys rate me 1 through 10?
11. Now, wait, at time, rate my belly rock.
Something's wrong with those. Hey.
Hey, how you doing? How you doing?
Can you guys rate me 1 through 10?
Oh shit, I have time for me.
I did add time, like, what the heck? You guys don't understand how stressful this is. I watched this whole video and then you turn out and it doesn't work. Hey.
What's good? Where you from?
Atlanta. Can you rate me 1 through 10?
8.
Thank you.
What are you?
I'm like so freaking mad. Like, ugh! God, why don't y'all see these people? Like, especially the stupid ones.
No, nigga, you not supposed to rustle yourself on Monkey. Hello?
Hey. Can you rate me 1 through 10? Oh, I'm from Atlanta.
Oh, I'm from Mississippi. I'll give it a 10.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, y'all, but they still give me good numbers, so I'm trying.
What does everybody know? You got what's up?
Can y'all rate me 1 through 10?
8.
He gave me an 8. I don't know what they were doing when I went on there, but... Or, have I done 5 yet? I'm not even keeping up. I'm just going because I'm so mad. So hopefully I get some good ones. Hey. Can you rate me 1 through 10?
I don't go for the legs up, but I'll give you a 10. I'll give you a 10, yes.
Oh, what is wrong with that man? Y'all can see him. Y'all, like, he said he didn't go for looks. That is such a good job. And why am I talking like that? He made me want to talk like this. Hey.
What's up?
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
7, 8.
Thanks.
8.5.
Thanks.
You kind of cute though. You're welcome.
He said I was kind of cute. You know I ain't kind of cute. Hey.
It's quick.
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
8.
Thank you. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Why does this man have on a pink bonnet? Like, y'all know y'all see that. He had on a whole pink bonnet. Either he's gay, which I have no problem with, or he just needs something to cover his hair. But why he get... It's okay. I'm not judging. Hey.
Bro, he's on X Games. You see him?
Can you rate me 1 through 10? You see how I play? Hey.
Yeah, go over just hello.
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
Negative. I'm just playing 10. Solid 8.5. That's on.
He was gonna say negative. I wish he would have said negative, because I would have negative his behind. Hey.
Yo.
Can y'all rate me 1 through 10?
Alright, but you gotta do something first, dude. Add time. Alright, you gotta show us like your left titty.
Just for you to rate me 1 through 10?
I mean, yeah.
Nah, I don't need it that bad.
Yo, what?
I don't need it that bad.
Is she cute?
Yeah, but she's cute, bro. She's cute with dark skin, bro.
Yo, I'm trying to see some titties, man.
I'm trying to see a lot of stuff. I'm trying to see money. I'm trying to see a lot of stuff in life. But you know,
Hey,
sometimes...
what's up? We can cash up you. I'm gonna cash up you.
Yeah, right.
I'm dead ass
Bro,
serious.
what you
Cash
Yo,
up.
you know what I do? Yo, kid, you know what I do?
Okay, cash at me then, and then we'll see.
Hold on.
Alright, what's your cash up? What's your cash up?
Look at this receipt.
It's...
Hold on. Look at this receipt real quick.
I'm not even on there.
Get on.
Hold on, I'm trying to... Y'all can prove it to me. It's Taylor Copeland 36.
Bro, Justin, you can't see the number. You said Taylor Copeland's 36. Add time.
Oh, snap. Y'all said give me some money! I'm so... Y'all don't even understand. I'm finna go off. I was gonna use money. No, I wasn't gonna send them nothing. I was just gonna take their money and keep moving. Y'all, like... Hey.
What up?
Can y'all rate me 1 through 10?
Yeah. It's just shake. That's shake. My time. Alright, I'm gonna. Alright.
From the ranking 1 to 10, if you answer my question.
What's your question?
Chill out.
What's your question?
The answer is like, why this app is called Monkey?
Huh?
Why this app is called Monkey?
I don't
Why
know.
the app is called Monkey, nigga? Why the app is called Monkey?
Habla español, habla inglés.
Oh, why is the app
No,
called
wait.
Monkey?
Antenas, prostitution.
Oh, I don't know.
Prostitution.
What do you know? Why is there?
Alright, Pep.
Okay, I don't know what he's talking about. So, I just exited him. Hold on, I'm gonna go over here and see if I can find that man, because how do I get to my text? How do I get... Y'all don't even understand, bro. We got to... How you get to, like... You can't text people no more? Call people and stuff? This is ridiculous, honey. Hey. Hey. Can you rate me 1 through 10? Y'all, like, how do y'all... Anyone knows how to rate this thing? Like... Hey. Can you rate me 1 through 10?
10.
Thank you.
Hey, time to see more.
He said, add time to see more. That's what we're doing now? Hey.
Hello. What's up?
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
About an 8.
Thanks. Sorry if y'all do that. Hey.
What's up?
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
10.
Thank you. Hey.
Hello.
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
I give you a 10 because I...
Thank you. He sounded weird as heck. What's up with these people? Hey. Can you rate me 1 through 10?
What's up? 20.
Thank you. What's your name? Alright, y'all. So I didn't look down and notice that he was doing inappropriateness. So I decided to end that. Okay, sorry. Hey.
Oh.
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
10.
Thank you. Y'all, like, y'all don't understand how, like, someone that has gone through, like, low self-esteem, when people, like, say this, it makes you feel some type of way. Hey.
What's up?
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
Yeah, only if you add time. Alright. Can we talk first, then I rate you?
Why can't you just rate me and then we can talk?
Well, where are you from?
I'm from Atlanta.
It says you were from Tennessee.
Well, I live in Tennessee, but I'm from Atlanta.
Where do you live in Tennessee?
Do you live in Tennessee too?
Yeah.
That's weird, but I live in Chattanooga.
Oh, that's too bad. I live in Memphis.
So are you gonna rate me?
My uncle. Yeah, I'll rate you. Like an 8.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
He said, mm-hmm. I have some good ones at first. I'm kind of mad. Like, y'all don't even understand how mad I am. Like, if y'all had to do the editing, y'all be so mad. Y'all see me trying to get cute over here? Hey. I was in the camera like that. It's like, hey. No wonder you clicked off. Mexico. Hey.
What's up?
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
1 through 10?
Yeah.
A 2 when you right now, but when you on my dick, a 10.
Oh.
Boy, if you don't.
Oh. Hey.
Hey.
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
You gonna be honest?
Yeah, be honest. I'm not hurting my feelings.
Fuck 1.
Alright. Give me a 1. Oh my god. Hey. Can you rate me 1 through 10?
What?
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
10.
Oh, you said a 10. Y'all be getting too excited. Y'all, I'm mad. Like, so I don't even use money. Hey.
Hello.
Can you rate me 1 through 10? Hmm?
I fucking hate you.
What's some girls? Hey.
Hi. Hey, sexy.
Can you guys rate me 1 through 10?
You a 10.
Thank you.
You a 10, girl. You a 10.
Y'all 10s too. Can you rate me 1 through 10?
-1.
What? You said negative. Oh my god, y'all. I'm gonna cry after this video. Hey.
Do it again? Do it again?
I don't know why I'm so white. But can you rate me 1 through 10?
I'll give you a 9.5.
Thank you. Period. I'm a 9.5. So forget you, -1.
Them
Hey.
shits are broke, so I ain't gave them to me.
Can you guys rate me? Can you guys rate me 1 through 10?
Show us something.
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
I mean, I put 5. I mean, I could rate you if you could show us something.
I'm showing your face. Rate me.
No. Ass, pussy, and titties.
Back the fuck up. I knock the fuck out you.
Hey. Can y'all rate me 1 through 10? Can y'all rate me?
My shit just feels like a bitch.
say I look like a... No, he didn't. He didn't.
Hello?
Hello?
You got waves?
No.
Does it look like she got waves with long hair on the side of her head?
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
You like take that off. You a 0. Hello?
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
Oh shit, boy, you look like a mean guy.
A what?
Baby, what's up, baby?
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
Pass the time. Pass the time.
Can you rate me?
I give you like a 7.5.
Thank you.
What about me, baby?
Hey.
Hey, how you doing, beautiful? What's up?
Thank you. Can you guys rate me 1 through 10?
10.
Hey.
What's up?
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
You're a 10, baby girl.
Thank you. Hey.
What's good?
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
You're a hard 0.
You said a 0?
You ugly.
I'm so ugly!
Look like somebody.
Hey,
Hey.
beautiful, how you been?
Good. Can you rate me 1 through 10?
I'll rate you any 11.
Thank you. Hey.
What's up with you, beautiful at time?
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
No, I can't do that. I'm sorry.
Why?
You been on broke my scale.
You just made my night.
Shit, you made mine. You looking speechless.
Thank you.
For real, like, I just wish that they made my scale a little bigger than what it is. 1 through 10. I can't rate none with that.
Okay, 1 through 100.
I need 1,000 on that one.
Now you pushing it.
Nah, but you a solid 99.
Thank you.
Well, she's solid, nigga. What the fuck? And she got glasses on. I bust your ass. Yes, you did. He bust his ass to see you. Oh, shit.
What happened? Oh.
Oh, time out. You don't have no Snap connected to this?
I do. I just tried to add you.
I just tried to add you too and said something wrong.
No, it says you're already my friend.
So it said we already friends.
Yep.
I like that. So what's your name?
Taylor.
Taylor. How you feel about that? That's sex, man. But so I'm assuming just by the quality of how good you're looking, not just how good you're looking, but your background, that you have an iPhone. Am I correct?
Yeah.
So what are we doing on Monkey?
I'm a YouTuber, so I'm making a YouTube video.
Oh, you doing a YouTube video right now?
Yeah.
Shit. So you gonna get back with me after the YouTube video?
Yeah. Snapchat me.
Snapchat you?
Yeah. How much? I'm gonna let you know.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah, how long this shit going on for? Cause I ain't got all day.